What if you could do this to this? Would it make your life easier, or would it just be yet another digital chore? Hey, I'm Gillian on Buzz 60. Outbox wants to change the postal service by giving your snail mail the digital treatment. For $5 a month, your mail will be picked up by an Outbox employee 3 times a week. It'll be opened, scanned, and digitized. If you're a little uneasy about a complete stranger going through your mail, it is a federal offense after all, Outbox claims to be safer than your real mailbox, with $1 million in identity theft protection and extensive employee background checks. The app lets you digitally organize your mail, and you can even opt out of certain types of mail. So yes, Outbox will make sure you never see another coupon book again. If you get a package, they'll deliver it to your door along with any other mail you'd like to have for real, like a wedding invitation or the rare handwritten letter. Outbox is currently only available in Austin and San Francisco, so until they go national, we'll just have to deal with junk mail the old-fashioned way. Buzz 60, now you know, pass it on.